Assalamu alaikum. Today is my topic how to download and install QuickBooks. First of all, download QuickBooks from its website. After that, click on setup file. Click on next. It takes some time to complete. Click accept and continues. After that, click on next. It is a trial version, 30 days trial version. Click on first option. Select for first option. After that, click on next. Select your installation location. Click on install. Now your installation is successfully completed. Thank you. Like and subscribe my channel.